In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear wiper blade on the Chevy Trailblazer. This will be mounted directly to your rear wiper arm. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Take hold of your rear wiper arm, lift it up a little bit, and pull it away from the rear window. Now we're going to take hold of the rear wiper blade, pivot it just enough that we can carefully slide our fingers inside of this area. The next thing you want to do is just gently start pushing this forward a little bit while prying it away from the arm. Should slide right out of there. You can see the beam going across the center here. And that fits into the grooves that are on the back side of this. Let's get ready to install the wiper blade on the arm. Pull the arm away from the vehicle. Slide the center of the wiper blade into the groove on the wiper arm and press the two pieces together. We'll just put this in the resting position here. Okay friend, we've got our car back together. At this point, you can go ahead and hop in the passenger compartment and test the functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.